So now let us see how do we use these integrity constraints with the create command. Now for example, suppose you want to create a table instructor which makes use of all these three integrity constraints. So you can write the query as follows: create table instructor, then you have say an attribute id varchar5, then you have an attribute say name varchar10, and now you want to put an integrity constraint to the attribute name, that is it should not be null in any case, so you add the integrity constraint not null. Then you have the department name, you give it a data type varchar, then salary data type numeric. Now you want id as the primary key, so you'll write the integrity constraint as primary key and parenthesis id comma. Also you want to specify a foreign key constraint, that is department underscore name references another relation department. So you will write it as follows: foreign key DAPT underscore name references another table whose name is department closing parenthesis. So this pretty much covers the create command in the data definition language. Now let's have a look at the drop command. Now this command is used to destroy the table and all its data records. The syntax for it is as follows: drop table name. So if you want to drop a table called as employee, the query would be drop table employee. Also you can drop the database using this command. The query for it would be drop database name. Now let us move to the third command, that is the truncate command. Now as you could see in the drop command, it destroys all the table and its records, whereas in the truncate command it maintains the structure of the table, it only destroys the records of the table. The syntax for the truncate command is truncate table name. So if you want to truncate a table called a student, you would write something like this: truncate table student. So if you have a table say student with attributes say id and age, and if you apply a drop command on this table, the output will be nothing, because the entire table will be dropped when you apply a drop command on it. But if you apply truncate to the same table, the output will be as follows. So if you carefully observe, you will note that when you use drop command, the entire table is destroyed with all its records. But when you use a truncate command, the structure of the database or the structure of the table is maintained, only the records are deleted.